How's it going, everyone? It's JJ back with another Pokemon Fuse Bead pixel art video. This is day 2 of doing these, and for day 2 we are doing Pokemon number 2, that being Ivysaur. So to do Ivysaur we're going to need 284 different beads. That is broken down into 14 different colours, and for this I'll be using the HAMA MIDI beads, which you can find a link in the description to all the different ones you'll need to get for this. So to break them down into their individual colours, you're going to need white, which is HAMA number 1, and you'll need 6 of them. You'll need red, which is HAMA number 5, and you'll need 4 of them. You need green, which is HAMA number 10, and you'll need 12. Black, which is number 18, and you'll need 61 of them. Dark red, which is number 22, and you'll need 6 of them. Dark green, which is number 28, and you'll need 15 of them. Claret, which is number 29, and you'll need 16. Turquoise, which is number 31, and you'll need 43 of them. Pastel red, which is number 44, and you'll need 11 of them. Pastel blue, which is number 46, and you'll need 44 of them. Pastel green, which is 47, and you'll need 11 of them. Light grey, which is number 70, which you'll need 1 of them. Dark grey, which is number 71, and you'll need 37 of them. And finally, you'll need petrol blue, which is number 83, and you'll need 15 of them. And like I said at the start, you can find all of the different beads that you need wrote down with links in the description of this video, along with a download link for the photo that you're seeing in the top right corner, so you can see it more clearly when you're trying to do this at home. So with the main outlines of Ivysaur done, we're now just essentially colouring in. You can see here, especially with the diagram in the top right, that the black, which is number 18, takes up pretty much all of the outside to give us a nice stroke effect on the Pokemon. And then we're going to use the turquoise and we're going to use the pastel blue to cover in Ivysaur's face and body. And now these greens and the red will then start to do the plant that's on the back of him. Once the plant at the top of Ivysaur's body is finished, all we have left to do is define the details of the face, which is number 1, which is white, and that is for its eyes and its toes, as well as number 5, which is the red, which will be for its eyes. Once that's done, you can go ahead and chuck some masking tape on. Make sure to press that down nice and tight against the bead so you're going to be able to use the tape to pull it off afterwards. I'd recommend putting some holes in as well, just so you can keep the circle, the pixely effect after we've done ironing it. So with the masking tape, you're going to slowly and gently peel it off of the pegboard to then put it on top of something hard, which I've just got a plate mat, and then we're going to iron it so we can get the smooth pixels, and on the back we can have the more pixelated side, which you're going to see here. We're going to peel off the parchment paper. You can see the iron side here, which you get that nice effect where the beads fuse together, and then we're going to turn it around to get the more pixelated side. That is how to create a mini Ivysaur fuse bead pixel art. Like I said at the start and throughout this video, links to everything you need will be in the description of this video, and be sure to come back next time where we do Venusaur to finish off our Bulbasaur family. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye.